Okay, so today I'm in Jackson Heights, Queens, and I think it'll be nice if I show you guys around the area. I used to live here before, and there are spots that I missed, so I decided to come visit, and I'll show you guys around. I may not be actually eating in the actual place. I'll just show it to you because I'm a little bit, I'm still full. I'm mostly gonna give you guys a tour of Roosevelt Avenue, and Roosevelt Avenue in Jackson Heights has a lot of, good Colombian foods like this one, Pollos a la Brasa Mario. I recommend this place. This is 5 out of 5. And there's this cart who sells circular wafer with dulce de leche. I'm not sure if it's a Polish or a Spanish dessert, but my friend told me it's Polish, so I don't know if it's true, but nonetheless they are good. It's crispy and sweet and thin, really good. It's like Loker's wafers, but better. On 82nd Street. And I also decided to get my fresh juice, so good, ginger, mandarin, and orange. This pizza here is cheap. It's not that good, but late night cravings, I usually go there. And Roosevelt Avenue is usually lit because there's a lot of bars around. And this is M2N Cafeteria. I like this place a lot because they used to have a good salmon. I love their salmon here and fried rice. And they have a good salad. And they just opened up a Target. That used to be a cinema theater. I just love Jackson Heights because it's so diverse and a lot of good food. I think Queens in general has better food than any other boroughs. I mean, fight me in the comments. But Queens is elite. Even start with the good Indian foods in Jackson Heights, Nepalese food, Ecuadorian food, Mexican and Colombian. It's one of the most diverse neighborhood in the whole New York City. I hope you guys like that mini tour of Jackson Heights. I think I'm gonna call this series my favorite neighborhoods in New York City, and I'll just show you guys around. And yeah.